Hello students, good morning everyone. I am your English miss. In 5th standard, we are going to see second unit. Second unit name is My Native Place. How many of you are very eager to go to your native place? Did you like it? Okay, fine kids. When did you go to your native place? Do you have any ideas? Yes, very good. During summer time, we used to go to our native place. My native place is Chennai. And what about yours? Okay, good students. In second unit, my native place. Now we are going to read out the given lines in the first page. Okay, children? Come, let's read out. Hi, I am Nila. I love my native place. Do you? Nila is telling that she is loving her native place and she is also asking you that do you love your native place? Okay, come, let's move on to our second prose, trip to my grandparents' village. Did you all like your native place? Yes, of course. We love our native place, is it? Now we move on to first paragraph of this lesson. Okay, it is a summer. Santosh vacation has started. It is a summer time, so Santosh vacation is also started. His parents are going to Sirumalai, his parents' village. To which village they are moving to? They are going to Sirumalai village. Santosh is excited. Santosh is very excited to visit his native place. He records an audio diary on his mother's phone. He also records an audio diary. He can't write all the events, is it? So he records all his feelings during the visit. He records an audio diary. Then what he is doing? Come, let's move on to next paragraph of this prose. Okay, children? Now, later he write down in his diary what he had recorded. Then, after some time, he write down the events that he had recorded in his mother's phone. Let's read his diary to know his experience during the visit. Actually, we don't read anyone's diary. But now, in this prose, Santosh is sharing his diary with us. So come, let's move on to read out Santosh diary and let we know about his summer vacation. Okay children, listen carefully. First day is 10th April. I am eager to visit my grandparents' village. I will meet my grandparents and cousins. Santosh is very eager to visit his grandparents' village. Very eager. And also he will meet his grandparents and also cousins. Is it clear to you children? Then we move on to next line. I have packed my clothes and tab for playing video games. We will be traveling in a bus. I am so excited. What is next doing? He packed some of his dresses and also tab. Tab is a mobile, like a mobile device. Okay, something bigger than the mobile for playing video games. Then we will be traveling in bus. How they are traveling to his grandparents' village? He travels by bus and he is so excited. So he prepared all the things on 10th of April and this one is 11th of April. Come, let's see what he is doing on 11th of April. Today we are traveling. Though it is summer, the weather is pleasant in the morning. Usually summer is full of very hot climate, no? But in the morning of summer, it was a very pleasant weather. and he also explains his traveling experience with us. Okay, children? So now we move on to next line. There are numerous trees with yellow flowers on both sides of the road. On the road there are numerous trees. Numerous means many trees on both sides of the road. Both sides of the road there are number of trees, many trees. See, like this, there are many trees on the both sides. Both sides means two sides of the road. He saw many plants and many trees. Numerous means many. I am showing this picture only for an example. There is a greenery all around. There is a greenery all around. See, like this, there are so much of greenery plants. There are many white cranes in the lush green paddy fields. See, in the fields there are many cranes. The scarecrows have managed to scare away the crows in the fields. Scarecrows means this man, standing this man. No, this is like a Cholakattu Bommai. Cholakattu Bommai is mentioned as scarecrows. So, scarecrows have managed to scare away the crows in the field. There is no traffic, noise or pollution in the village. In the village, he is feeling that there is no traffic at all, and also no noise and no air pollution. So this is what about Santosh diary on his summer vacation. I get off the bus and run to my grandparents. They are delighted to see me. See, this boy is getting off from the bus and run to meet his grandparents. They also very eager to see Santosh. The house is surrounded by many big trees. See, the house is surrounded by many big trees. There are few jackfruit, mango, neem and banana, pomegranate and coconut trees. The trees have abundant fruits. Trees are having many fruits. See, I am pointing it out. Trees are having many fruits. My grandfather has plucked some ripe mangoes for me. Grandparents is very love towards Santosh. So, his grandfather has plucked some ripe mangoes. Ripe mangoes are very sweet, is it? The mangoes are juicy, very juicy and also sweet. How the mangoes are? The mangoes are very juicy and also very sweet. Now I completed just one part from trip to my grandparents' village lesson. Okay, and we move on to activity glossary. First one is eager. Eager means very keen, very interested. And vacation, you all know about vacation. Vacation means holiday. And numerous, numerous means great in number. I hope you understood this lesson. And now you are going to write all these three glossary 2 times and also mention your native place in your homework. Okay.